Bitcoin is back in the spotlight, and one question has been dominating discussions in the cryptocurrency world. Will Bitcoin break through the $100,000 barrier? This historic milestone has been a dream for many investors since Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high of close to $69,000 in 2021. But is this time different? What are the factors that could push Bitcoin's price to new highs, and what risks do we need to consider? In this video, we'll look at the fundamentals, market trends, and expert predictions to try to answer this question. If you're wondering whether you should hold, buy, or sell Bitcoin right now, keep watching until the end. Why is $100,000 an important milestone? The $100,000 barrier is not just a symbolic number, it represents a psychological milestone for the crypto market. If Bitcoin breaks through this threshold, it could validate Bitcoin as a store of value. Many already call Bitcoin digital gold, but hitting $100,000 would cement its position as a global safe haven asset, attracting more institutional investors. Large companies and investment funds may see this as a green light to increase their allocations to Bitcoin, driving mass adoption. Higher prices usually generate greater visibility and public interest, leading more people to explore the crypto space. But what is behind this potential rally? Let's analyze the main factors. Factors that could drive Bitcoin to 100K Bitcoin. Halving. One of the most anticipated events for Bitcoin enthusiasts is the upcoming halving scheduled to occur in 2024. During the halving, the reward for mining a Bitcoin block is reduced by half, reducing the supply of new coins in the market. Historically, each halving has been followed by significant bullish cycles. This event could be the trigger for Bitcoin to reach new highs. Institutional adoption. In recent years, large companies such as Tesla, MicroStrategy, and BlackRock have adopted Bitcoin as part of their financial strategies. Additionally, the creation of Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds, in the US could attract billions of dollars from traditional investors, increasing demand. Inflation and the global economic crisis. With central banks printing money to combat economic crises, many investors are seeking protection against inflation. Bitcoin, with its limited supply of 21 million coins, is seen as a viable alternative to gold and fiat currencies. Growing crypto infrastructure. The infrastructure surrounding Bitcoin is growing rapidly. Regulated exchanges, secure storage solutions, and integrations with traditional financial systems are making Bitcoin more accessible and reliable for investors of all levels. Positive market sentiment. After a prolonged bear market, the crypto market appears to be entering a recovery phase. Technical and on-chain indicators suggest that Bitcoin is gathering momentum for a new bull cycle. Risks and challenges. Although the signs seem promising, there are challenges that could prevent Bitcoin from reaching $100,000. Government regulations, restrictive measures by governments could limit Bitcoin's adoption. For example, bans or excessive taxes could negatively affect the price. Extreme volatility. Bitcoin is known for its volatility. Even if it reaches $100,000, sharp corrections could occur, causing significant losses for unprepared investors. Altcoin competition. Although Bitcoin is the market leader, other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Solana, and DeFi projects are gaining ground. This could divide investors' attention. Unforeseen global events, geopolitical conflicts, economic crises, or technological failures could negatively impact the crypto market. Expert predictions. Big names in the financial and crypto worlds have varying opinions on Bitcoin's future. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, believes Bitcoin could reach $1 million per coin in the long term. Kathy Wood, founder of ARK Invest, predicts Bitcoin could hit $100,000 as early as 2024, driven by the halving and institutional adoption. Other analysts are more cautious, warning that the path to $100 could be bumpy and dependent on external factors. Reaching the $100,000 barrier is an ambitious but not impossible goal for Bitcoin. With solid fundamentals, growing adoption, and favorable macroeconomic events, the stage is set for a potential all-time bull run. However, investors should be aware of the risks and avoid making impulsive decisions based solely on speculation. If you believe in the potential of Bitcoin, consider including it in your portfolio in a strategic and diversified way. Remember, the crypto market is volatile and patience is essential to reap the rewards in the long term. If this video was useful to you, subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it with your friends. Tell me in the comments, do you believe Bitcoin will surpass 100,000? See you next time.